po namin kayo na sabihin sa lahat ng mga tao ang aming showing ay January 25 sa buong Kapuluan. Meron pa tayong premiere night.
January 24.
Meron po kami premiere night sa January 24. Maraming po salamat sa paglaro ninyo. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Direk. Miro?
Ayan po, ang January 25 na po ang airing ng Foolish Love, directed by Joel Lamangan. Sana po panoorin niyo po ito at makaka-relate po kayo dito sa mga madaming Foolish Love.
Tommy?
Yes po, iniimbitahan na po namin kayong lahat manood ng Foolish Love out January 25th in theaters nationwide. It's, you guys can watch and support and see how we do it in the film.
Okay.
Yes po, Foolish Love, sa January 25 na po ang showing nito. At syempre, directed by Direk Joel Lamangan. Meron po kaming premiere night sa January 24 sa SM Mega Mall. So sana magkita-kita po tayo dyan. Sana po tulungan ninyo kami na maipaalam sa lahat kung kailan po ang showing ng Foolish Love under Regal Entertainment. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, we have great actor.
Umupo ako. Jake Vargas.
Hindi mo yung great actor na lang.
Dapat great actor na lang eh. Thank you so much na nagpakita kayo. Honestly, I mean, I'll be very honest. Na-enjoy ko talaga yung vlog ko. More than, not being biased to the press, but na-enjoy ko talaga yung vlog ko. I really enjoy the questions that you ask us. And I always look forward to the vlog ko. So thank you so much. Please help us promote our movie, Foolish Love, January 25. Premiere night namin January 24. Sa SM Mega Mall Cinema 7 p.m. So thank you so much guys for showing up. Thank you.